Typically, when you go online to order a lab test, or your doctor orders a lab test for you, you're going to end up with what we call a panel, or a group of lab tests. You see, if you bought each of these tests separately, you'd end up spending more money. By grouping them together into a panel, the lab can offer you a good discount. However, the problem with this is that you may only be interested in 3 out of those 5 lab tests. So not only are you getting unnecessary medical tests, but you're also not saving as much money as you should be. Luckily, MyMedLab has created a solution to solve both these problems by allowing you to build your own personal panels of tests. This way you can purchase only the tests you need when you need them and in turn save even more money. MyMedLab.com also allows you to save personal panels to your account. This way, as the years go by, you can accumulate medical data personalized to you throughout your lifetime. Let me show you exactly how customized panels work. From the MyMedLab front page, I may know a specific lab test I want, so I'm going to look up a T4 free thyroid test. On the right side of the screen, I'm going to see an online price and a discounted panel price, which is about $10 cheaper in this case. Let's go ahead and start a panel. Here on the Create My Panel page, on the left side, we can see all the tests that are already in my panel, and a note letting us know that we need to add at least one more test before we can receive the panel discount. On the right side of the page, I have a listing of common core wellness panels, and further down the page, I have a list of the most popular individual lab tests. I'm going to go ahead and add the Male Under 40 Wellness panel to my panel. As soon as I check off the box, the tests that are included in the Male Under 40 are added to my panel, and I can see the revised price. If I wanted to add individual tests to my cart, such as hemoglobin, I can click on it here. And if I want to remove the test from my panel, I can unclick the checkbox or simply hit the blue X next to a test. Also in this window, I can search for particular lab tests. For example, if I'm interested in ordering an iron test, I can search for iron, and then find the iron blood test I'm interested in and add that to my panel. Once I'm ready to check out, I'm going to log in or create an account. From here, I'm asked to confirm my shopping cart. I'm also shown here that I'm saving $80 because I created a panel of tests. I can then choose to send my results to Microsoft Health Vault, and down on the left-hand corner of the screen, I'm given the option to save my panel. I'm going to call this my July panel because it's something I plan to get every July. And from here, I can process my order. But instead of doing that, I want to show you one more cool feature. So I'm going to go ahead and empty out my shopping cart real quick. And now if I go to the Test tab on MyMedLab.com, scroll a little bit down the page, I can see my July panel right there waiting for me to order it again. If I click on the panel, I'm brought to a page that gives me a URL I can share and gives me a listing of all the items that have been saved in this cart. This URL listed here, I can use myself to place an order for the same panel, or I could even share it with a friend who might want to order the same lab test as me. So if I take that URL and add that to my address bar, you'll see that all lab tests are added into my cart so I can easily check out and buy them again. Custom panels are just another way we deliver the future of healthcare here at MyMedLab.com.